In the previous two videos we explored how to locate images and then how to use paint to crop images. This video I want to show you two tools to help you resize an image. And of course all of the videos and the resources and so forth shared here is how to properly use images and how to properly cite and give proper attribution according to creative license and things like that. For this, so we're going to use two tools here, and these two tools are pretty easy to use. That's why I selected them. The first one is Picresizer. So if you look up here, the actual URL, you can type in Picresize.com. And that will take you here. And so I want to show you, I want to go first to, the first thing you have to do is, of course, is browse for a particular image. And so this opens up to my downloads, and I downloaded an image before now, and so I want to pull this in I simply click browse, click on it, and then hit open, and then I'm going to hit continue. And what it's going to do is it's going to load up into a new frame. You can see here, that's a pretty large image, and so you can see the image here, and then it says to resize your picture. You can choose your special effects, and then you can save as. Notice the original size of this image was width was 1588 pixels by 2247. That's huge. So I can either go 50% smaller, or I can customize, or I can even go 75% smaller to fit within the specific width and height requirements of using images within your courses, within in your development checklist and things like that for those that are developing courses for us. And so forth, and then of course you can customize if you have a specific height and width customization. You can click on that, and then you can type in, let's say if I wanted to go my width, I wanted to go 330, and then my height 550. I can specify that, but in this particular case I'm just going to choose excuse me, I'm going to choose 75% smaller here. Now I can do a frame border. You can see it kind of gives you an idea of grayscale, a lot of different effects. Not sure the warming. There it is, warming effect and so forth. And then you choose which particular. Let me see if I can. Let me get this down so you can see it. So you will then choose: do you want it JPEG, GIF, or PNG? I like PNG, but just because of the quality when you use it online. So I'm going to say that, and then I'm going to say I'm done. And then what it's going to do is it's going to give me the option to view the image, to resume editing, save to web, and then I save to disk, and then it automatically will save to my computer, and it will actually go back into my downloads. So I will simply I can simply open this into my gallery. You can see as it opens up, and then we'll show the image as it is specific, and then I can save it to my computer. One thing that I do is I oftentimes will like to I can open the file location where it appears in my my folders. Normally it will probably be in my downloads folder, and there it is. So I can then take it. If I want to move it to my pictures here in my library, I can simply drag and drop over here. If I want to, go to my save it to Dropbox, I can save it over here to my Dropbox file. However I want to do that, and then I can use, and then again, since I created that image, I won't necessarily need to use any kind of citation. But if I chose another image, perhaps maybe another maybe something like this where it says time for reflection, that of course would have to be given proper attribution as we showed you in the other videos. So that's pretty much how you use the Picresizer. Very simple. And so let me show you now, move from there. I'm going to show you Webresizer. So here's Webresizer, and again the URL is www.webresizer.com. I just discovered this one. This is has a lot of the same functionality as Picresizer, but I'm going to show you the same process using the same image. Here I'm going to browse for it, find it, and then I'm going to upload it. And then what it does is it actually shows the comparison of the two. You can see now the images here. You can look down here. You can see the original size as I shared earlier right here. And then this is where it is right now at 69% smaller. It's 400 by 566 pixels. So one of the neat things I like about here is you can use this to also crop your image, much like what I showed you with Paint. You can also do that here with Webresizer. So you got really one tool with two functionalities. So that might save you some time. So if I wanted to crop this image, and I just wanted to use from NCVPS down to down here, I can simply then apply the changes, and then what I have is actually that particular. You can see I cropped it, so that's what I would actually use to download. I can actually manipulate the sizes myself, much like what you saw the other way. The other tool with Picresizer, I can change the if I want to change the width to 400 and then change the height to 800. I can do that and then apply my changes. It has also the ability to do borders and different tints, exposure, contrast. All of those, I'm not real familiar with those particular pieces, so you'll just have to play around with that. And then if I want to apply these changes, and then I simply download the image, and it will do the same process. Save to file. It will come in my in Firefox. It goes up to the toolbar, and then there you go. And then I can open it up, much like what I just showed you. I can open up file location. There it is, and then I can move it wherever I want to. So that can help you kind of get you some tools to help you resize images to kind of build upon some of the pieces that we've already discovered in the previous videos. So I hope that helps, and so happy cropping, happy image resizing.